Do you know the word GYRON? G-Y-R-O-N. Sometimes it's spelled G-I-R-O-N. We're going to get to the point in just a second. You're watching episode number 38 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. My name's Aaron, I'm the creative director with Square Thunder. We work with emerging boutique distillers and craft brewers to make sure your brand strategy and design are focused and well crafted. Do you know the word GYRON? It comes from an old French word which means gusset, you know, the little wedge shape of the thing that might be a structural support on something. You would gusset steel in a beam or pieces of wood to make a wood roof truss. If we back the language train up just a little bit further, we see that the word comes from an old High German word, gēro, which means something that's a wedge-shaped object. GYRON is typically used to describe the division in a shield, a kind of coat of arms. Normally, one single GYRON doesn't appear on its own, but they would be in a group. Basically, if you take a shield shape and divide that into a number of diagonal segments, usually 8, sometimes 6, sometimes 10 or 12, but most of the time 8. If you divided that shield into 8 segments like this, you would get a number of GYRONs coming towards that point in the center of the shield. So a gyrony is a group of wedge shapes on a shield, and a GYRON is one of those things. Today I'm going to use the word GYRON to design a logo for a brand of Dubonnet. Now I know Dubonnet is already a brand, it's a name of a product, but it's kind of as far as I'm aware, the only product in that segment. Dubonnet is a French aperitif, and it's made from wine and herbs and spices. It has flavors of plum and apricot and citrus in it. So it's an interesting combination. It also happens to be, from what I understand, the favorite beverage of Queen Elizabeth. She likes a Dubonnet and gin cocktail. I've never had that before. It'd be interesting to try it sometime, maybe. So what we're going to do today is use the word GYRON to design a logo for a Dubonnet-like beverage. I'm kind of going to key in on that royalty mood or theme in the design, and I think I'm going to explore shield shapes, coats of arms, you know, that kind of stylistic treatment. Color palette, who knows? We'll see what comes out. I'm going to start out by sketching some rough ideas on paper, then we'll move into Illustrator, refine one of those ideas a little further, and we'll put together some mock-ups to see what it will look like. So let's get started and see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. This has been episode number 38. We're closing in on a year of these things, and I think that's pretty cool. I do these because it's a creative, fun exercise for me, and I hope you get some value out of watching them, either watching the design work and the process of creating something, or learning something as I use the tools and show what's going on there a little bit. I hope that's valuable. If you are a boutique distiller or craft brewer and you need help with defining and realizing your brand identity, I would love to chat with you. You can connect with me at squarethunder.com, and I think we could come up with something really awesome for your emerging brand. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.